we're here now today making an immune boosting smoothie to help you feel really healthy and boost up your immune system. Okay, so we'll start off with all these lovely ingredients that we're going to put into the NutriBullet. We love the NutriBullet because it's lovely and handy and simple to use and very easy to clean. So Sean, my son, is here today and he's going to start by putting the first couple of ingredients in. So Sean, if you put in the berries, so the berries are very rich in antioxidants, lots of vitamin C to keep your immune boosted and nice and healthy. The next ingredient we're going to put in is the pineapple. So we chopped up a fresh pineapple this morning, so Sean is going to put the pineapple in now into the NutriBullet container again, and we're going to put these in. Pineapples are very good. They're anti-inflammatories and they make the smoothie lovely and sweet. If you didn't have pineapple, you could use mango, because mango is also is good for sweetening up smoothies. The next ingredient Kira is going to put in. Kira was on yesterday and she's back on today with the spinach, which is a powerhouse of nutrients as well. So it's got lots of protein, calcium and B vitamins, very important to keep us all nice and relaxed and calm, good for the nervous system and good for energy. So smoothies are always energizing. The next ingredient we're going to put in is the chia seeds. So the chia seeds are the protein. So many times I hear from kids how hungry they feel, that they actually feel really, really hungry and that they're just not being filled with just fruit or veg on its own. So they will have lots of protein to fill you up, which is good for growth and repair as well. The next ingredient, I call this the secret ingredient we're going to put in, is turmeric. Turmeric is really good. Lots of research on turmeric out there. We're going to be putting a half a teaspoon into this, and we're going to put a little bit of black pepper as well to help with the absorption. But turmeric is excellent for it's a really good antioxidant and it's very good for health in general. So now what we'll do is we add in the water. About 200 mils of water is going into this, and the water will be added in. You'll know whether you like your smoothie thicker or thinner, but now we're just going to put it in and actually blend it up. So now Kira will do this.
This is my favorite time to play music and dance.
Now, you're ready to go. Here you go, lovely immune boosting smoothie. For one, you can add 150 mils of water to 200. I probably added a little bit too much today. Kira, can you taste it and see is it okay? Lovely. There you go, enjoy.